Welcome to our channel. In this episode, we're diving into the captivating realm of microscopy, where tiny structures and intricate details come to life. From the brilliant colors of fluorescence to the contrast of dark field, we'll explore the diverse techniques that illuminate the unseen. Join us as we journey through the lenses, unlocking the mysteries of cells, tissues, and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our exciting scientific adventures. Light microscopy is a widely used technique in the field of biology and material science to observe and study samples at the cellular, subcellular, and microstructural levels. It utilizes visible light to illuminate and magnify specimens, allowing researchers to visualize details that are often not visible to the naked eye. Types of light microscopy. Brightfield Microscopy. This is the most common type of light microscopy, where light passes directly through a stained or unstained specimen. It provides good contrast for dense structures but might require staining to enhance visualization. Phase contrast microscopy. This technique enhances the contrast of transparent specimens by exploiting differences in refractive indices within the sample, making it suitable for live cell imaging. Dark field microscopy. Dark field microscopy uses oblique lighting to illuminate specimens at angles, resulting in a bright specimen against a dark background. It is useful for observing unstained, transparent specimens. Fluorescence microscopy. Fluorescence microscopy involves using fluorescent dyes or markers that emit light of a specific wavelength when excited by a particular wavelength of light. This technique is widely used for studying specific molecules and structures within cells. Confocal microscopy. Confocal microscopy uses a laser to focus on a single plane within a sample, resulting in high-resolution, 3D images. It is particularly useful for obtaining detailed structural and spatial information. Polarized light microscopy. This technique utilizes polarized light to examine birefringent materials, revealing their optical properties and internal structures. Sample requirement. Samples for light microscopy can vary widely depending on the type of microscope and the specific technique used. Generally, samples should be thin, transparent, and appropriately prepared. Fixation, staining, and mounting are common sample preparation techniques to enhance visibility and contrast. Applications of light microscopy. Light microscopy has numerous applications across various scientific fields. Cell biology, studying cell structure, organelles, and cellular processes. Histology, examining tissue sections for disease diagnosis and research. Microbiology, observing bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. Developmental biology, tracking embryonic development and tissue differentiation. Neuroscience, visualizing neuronal structures and connections. Material science, analyzing material, microstructure and defects. Medicine, clinical diagnosis and research, including cytology and hematology. Precautions. Contamination, prevent contamination of samples and equipment to maintain accurate results. Sample integrity, ensure proper sample fixation, staining, and preparation to avoid artifacts. Light exposure, limit sample exposure to excessive light, especially in fluorescence microscopy, to avoid photobleaching and damage. Proper handling, handle samples and equipment with care to avoid damage and maintain image quality. Calibration, regularly calibrate microscopes to ensure accurate magnification and measurements. Eye safety, wear appropriate eye protection when working with intense light sources. In conclusion, light microscopy is a versatile tool that offers various techniques for studying a wide range of samples in biology and material science. Understanding the types of microscopy, sample requirements, applications, and precautions is crucial for obtaining reliable and meaningful results. We hope you enjoyed this journey, and if you did, remember to give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow enthusiasts. For more incredible insights and educational content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, keep exploring, and together, we'll continue to uncover the incredible secrets hidden within the tiniest realms of life. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy exploring.